A proud moment for our county and a great cause. Peggy Belt should be given an award. She has the most phone calls to the legislative office in any 3-day period. You've got a real passionate crew here, and to the cheerleaders, the football players, and the boosters of both Battle Creek and Madison, what a great way to fight cancer and do it. And Brandon, we practiced all week. What do you want to say?
We just...
I told him he was going to get too nervous. He's not ready for prime time yet, but he's having fun. Thank you very much. And to Madison, thank you also.
Thank you very much, Senator Flood. According